Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat One channel. This is a quick video to let everybody know about the American Girl Memorial Day sale. It's available right now for all AG Rewards members, and if you're an AG Rewards member, you should have received an email from American Girl about the sale. And if it by any chance went to a different folder and you didn't see it, well, now you know that it's happening right now. And if you are watching our channel, that means you're interested in American Girl dolls. And if you are interested in American Girl dolls, you are probably purchasing from the American Girl brand. And if you are purchasing from the American Girl brand, you should definitely be an AG Rewards member. It doesn't cost anything, but you accumulate points from purchases that can later be redeemed. What I'm trying to say is if you are watching this video, you should be an AG Rewards member. It just makes sense to be one. By the way, I made a video a while ago about how the reward system works in case you don't know and in case you have some questions. Anyway, back to the sale. If you're spending $75 or more, you get 10% off. If you're spending $150 or more, it's 15% off. And if you're spending $250 or more, you're getting 20% off, which is a really good deal. But of course, the usual exclusions apply. And the usual exclusions are the sale does not include any of the 18-inch dolls. It does not include any of Julie's new items or Kirsten's, Addie's, and Samantha's newly released items. Lila and her collection are excluded from the sale, as well as the Harry Potter collection, NFL collection, Kid Craft collection, and the usual stuff like create your own dolls, the bistro purchases, doll salon, doll hospital, that kind of stuff. You don't need to enter a code while checking out. You just need to be signed into your AG Rewards account, and the discount will be applied automatically when you start your checkout. I'm guessing this sale will be available for everyone tomorrow, for everyone who's not an AG Rewards member. But today it's just for the AG Rewards members. It also confirms the new release next weekend. Remember, there is an exclusive event at American Girl stores on June 2nd. And by the way, let me know in the comments if you are going and which store you're going to, because I'm going to the one in New York City. Super excited about it. I'm hoping there are more new releases other than the new Bitty Baby and the birthday outfits and the birthday set. I'm really hoping for something bigger because that seems like a kind of big event, right? Yeah, anyway. I can't wait to see what's coming next weekend, June 2nd. I'm going to browse through the sale section because getting like a discount on top of already reduced prices is amazing. And I actually wanted to buy this pajama set, and I also wanted to buy this bathrobe set, but I didn't realize that you have to purchase the set for girls as well. And if you're a small adult, you can probably fit into the largest girl size, but I'm not sure I want to spend $55 to get this bathrobe, but I would love to get one for my doll. Decisions. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you're planning to shop this sale and what items you planning to buy, because I'm still undecided. I'm quite surprised that the new kitchen and the kitchen table sets are included in the sale as well. If you buy a new kitchen, just because the price is so high, you will be getting 20% off just because you buy in the kitchen. So I think it's a pretty good deal if you like that new kitchen. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.